Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla! Wow, my people, Dancehall skilla there here again with some more things to talk to you about, and I have videos that I'm going to present to you. Big up and respect to each and every one. I hope that everyone alright, you see? Alright, now first things first. I am going to present a video to you that will be recorded within a country that is known as Jamaica. I do not know when the video will be recorded. Now, this video shows some things that happened when police officers from within the country of Jamaica went to a certain location within the country of Jamaica. In the video, you can hear a female talking. And I think it would be best for you, my viewers and subscribers, to look at this video for yourself and tell me what you think about some of the things that you're about to see and hear in this video. See? And I want you to please bear in mind that this video shows inside and outside of a home that is messy. You see? And in the video, you can also hear harsh language. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think. No, listen carefully now. Listen carefully to the video. You can't look into it. You are video now.
Have some mind back clean. She gone, she there down there, so look like she that died. Go on in. Yes, turn on your light.
On the light, yes.
And move the curtain when you walk down. Make me fall off your kayo.
But no when you're running stuff for walk
yes. Move, make me come look. She eat me just left her here. See her here. See the mama here. Me look how she one of them. Ah, the mama in here. I need them to fuck a daytime officer.
Where's the shit?
You see nobody there?
No.
See the mama here. Me not just show you her in her she. She there.
She talk about.
The mama there.
Which one?
Tell the mama there.
Them a spirit like an officer. Oh my God.
Spirit! My people, let me tell you something, you see? In my point of view, police work can be stressing, see? Because if me is a police officer and someone call me to a certain location and then me start hear the person talk about duppy spirit and probably obey certain things, me no want them near them kind of situations then, my people. Come, you know, understand certain things when it comes on to spirit, duppy, ghost, obia, and them things then. Me no understand them things that totally. Hear about them, talk about them, that how. My people, Jano, when I tell a lie, my people, but I like to tell them what I think about that video that I just presented to you, my viewers and subscribers. You understand? You can't tell me what I think about the things that the female said, because I'm not even sure what for really said about this whole situation that you can see in the video. Alright? Well, anyways, my people, you can let me know what I think about that video that I presented to you. Right about now, I'm going to move on to a more serious topic. You see? Alright, so I got information that the Highgate market in St. Mary, Jamaica caught on fire on the 16th of July, the year 2022. According to information that I got, it is said that the fire started sometime before or after 3 a.m. on the 16th of July, the year 2022. See? And according to more information that I got, it is said that the fire gutted the market, viewers and subscribers. See? And according to more information that I got, it is said that the fire destroyed dozens of stalls, crippling the livelihood of many vendors who used the market. It is said that 3 fire units tried to control the blaze, but according to firefighters, The fire quickly got out of control due to lack of water within the area brought about by dry conditions or dry weather conditions. Now, there are also videos circulating on social media about this whole situation, viewers and subscribers, and for you to get a better understanding about this whole situation, I'm going to present one of those videos to you, my viewers and subscribers. Now, based on some things that I saw and heard in the video, and according to information that I got about the video, I got the understanding that this video shows some things that happened at the scene of the incident. Now, before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Look, listen, observe, and you can also tell me what you think. Observe.
From when we now water, that means the water in the line. And too wicked, man. And yes, the water coming in the line. Yes, we did. Water door shot.
Alright, now according to more information that I got, and according to at least one news article that I read, I got the understanding that the fire might have started because of electrical problem. And I also got information that the necessary authorities are doing their investigation when it comes on to this whole situation. It is said that a preliminary estimate had been done when it comes on to the fire that, in my point of view, destroyed the market, viewers and subscribers. See? Yeah, it is said that the preliminary estimate reached over 20 million. And according to more information that I got, it is said that a firefighter said that the estimate might increase, viewers and subscribers. You see what I'm saying to you? So, in my point of view, this is really a sad situation. The amount of vendors that got affected by the fire, viewers and subscribers, and I hope that they will somehow find the strength to overcome what happened. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, we are Jamaicans. You see me, I say we are strong people. People overall are strong people. You understand? So, I wish the best, and it's really sad, you see? Anyways, I'm going to move on to another topic, viewers and subscribers, and this is also another sad topic. See? Now, I saw a post on social media that had been made by the Jamaica Constabulary Force that gave me the understanding that the Jamaica Constabulary Force said that a female who goes by the name of Donnelly Donaldson had been reported missing. See? Now, I want you, my viewers and subscribers, to keep a close attention to this whole situation about this female who goes by the name of Donnelly Donaldson. See me? Because there are some allegations on social media as to how the female went missing. You understand me? I don't want to mention any of those allegations in this video, viewers and subscribers, you know, because there are certain reasons why I do not want to. But you can always check the comment section of this video, as I will leave a comment or comments to let you know what I know, and if you also ask. Alright? Alright, so according to a post that had been made on social media by the Jamaica Constabulary Force, I got the understanding that the post said that a female who goes by the name of Donnelly Donaldson is missing. The post said that the female is 24-year-old and that she was last seen at home on Grants Crescent, Kingston 10 on July 11 about 5 p.m. See? And might I add that that means Jamaica. See? So the post also said that the female was last seen wearing a black romper and black slippers. See? Yes, so in my point of view, the post had been put on social media seeking the public's assistance to find the female or the missing female. That's what I'm saying to you. So if anyone know the whereabouts of this female, or if anyone have any idea where the female is at, call the police. You see what I say? Call the police. Alright, so the people just keep a close attention to this whole situation, because this is one serious situation. You see? And you might be surprised to see how this whole situation unfold. Alright? I'm going to move on to another video. Now, I am going to present a video to you that's going to show a man, and in this video, the man talk about a certain situation. And I think it is best that you look and listen to this video for yourself and tell me what you think about the things that the man said in this video. You can tell me if you agree or if you disagree with the things that the man said in this video, viewers and subscribers. I'm going to tell you what I think as well. You see what I'm saying to you? Alright, here's the video. Look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think.
It is impossible for a man who have an unsound mind to kill children and then fled the scene. That is the first most important. If it was an unsound mind, he will be treading, walking, or hiding himself. But classified as indicum classification that this man should not be executed, I said this man must face his own penalty. He must feel all death feel.
Right.
This man, you can't coop him up. You can't put him in behind bars. You're wasting time.
Right.
And then now, all these people will classify to use their taxpayer money to pay him to killing children. That's why you want indicum. So I am saying indicum is not on the people's behalf, is on the criminal behalf. Right. So what kind of status that is in Jamaica? And the government, do you agree with indicum classification opposing criminality in a country like this? This is not real. We don't like it. It have to go.
Yes, so tell the people who we are talking about.
This is indicum we are contesting about. What is classification is that this criminal, the killer criminal or kill the children, should not be executed. This man must pay a penalty, because it's a criminal act plus murder for children. And it's your youth and he murdered him, so why should he get away?
So you say, him forget the death penalty.
Exactly.
100%.
100%.
Yeah, we're going to some people.
Right.
Yeah, right. That's so.
Alright, my people, I understand the things that the person said in that video still now. You see what I say? And would I like you tell me who you think the person was talking about? Yeah, me and the person mentioned indicum, but would I like you tell me who you think the person was talking about, because I have an idea who the person was talking about, but I'm not going to mention any name or names. But let me tell you something, my people. See, in my point of view, I do not think death is the answer, and I do not think death is a good punishment. No, I don't think so. So may I say, I think that if a person do a crime and if the person get 200 years, make the person do the 200 years in a prison. See? But to put the person to death, I don't think that the person suffered not more than just the death. That's in my point of view. So I do not think death is the answer to no situation at all. I don't think so. And when it comes down to this death penalty thing, viewers and subscribers, Jamaica justice system or Jamaica government cannot just execute someone without the proper paperwork, viewers and subscribers. You understand? Jamaica answer to the Queen of England. Remember that, my people. See? I'm not the most highly educated person. I know everything I know. But I do know that there are certain paperwork that must be done when it comes down to Jamaica justice system. You see me, I say, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, man. You see it? I bet I'm left with this before I'm going to say foolishness. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up yourself. See it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now?